Good morning, all of you. My name is Nisha Martin, Assistant Professor of Shirodpura Sarkar University, Faculty of Science Department. Today we discuss about the structure of bacteria. We know about the shape of bacteria. The second topic is structure of bacteria. The protoplasm, that is a whole body of living material, that is called protoplasm. Protoplasm means the watery content of the bacterial cell or some cell, that is called protoplasm. It is a by bounded by a very thin elastic and semi-permeable cytoplasmic membrane outside, and closely cover this lies to the rigid supporting cell wall, which is porous and relatively permeable. So first membrane is called cell membrane, plasma membrane, or outer layer is called cell wall. So essential structure of bacteria, that is nucleoid, that is nuclear material, cytoplasm, cytoplasmic membrane, and cell wall. The other structure which is not essential but is present in some bacteria like capsule, flagella, pili, and endospore. So this is the structure of micrograph of nucleoid. So what is nucleoid? That is nuclear material. We know the bacterial nucleoid containing a single double-stranded DNA. It is closed circular thread about 1 millimeter long, being condensed and looped into a supercoiled state, only containing a single chromosome, having no nuclear membrane, having no nucleolus, replicating by growth and simple fission and not by mitosis. What is a cytoplasm? The cytoplasm bacterial cell is viscous watery solution or soft gel containing a variety of organic and inorganic solutes and numerous ribosomes, which are also present inclusion granules containing plasmids in some species of bacteria. Cytoplasm not containing endoplasmic reticulum, not containing membrane bearing microsomes, and not containing mitochondria. So what is the inclusion granules? Inclusion granules are insoluble, osmotically inert, round, neutral polymers in the cytoplasm of bacteria. It is a structure of granule which is present in cytoplasm of the bacteria. Next is plasmid. Plasmids are the extra chromosomal of DNA. So bacteria contain DNA, but there is some extra chromosomes are present in cytoplasm, that is called plasmid. Different plasmid have different functions. Cell membrane. All cell contain a cell membrane, outer membrane, that is called plasma membrane or plasma lemma. So bacterial cell also contains cell membrane. There is a different model for cell membrane. A model of membrane structures, folded polypeptide molecule are visualized as embedded in a phospholipid bilayer with their hydrophilic region protruding into the intracellular space, extracellular space, or both. What is the function of cell membrane? It is a selective permeability and transport of solute. Second function is electron transport and oxidative phosphorylation in aerobic species. Third is excretion of hydrolytic exoenzymes. Fourth is bearing the enzymes and carrier molecule that function in the biosynthesis of DNA, cell wall, polymers, and membrane lipid. Bearing the receptors and other protein of the chemostatic and other sensory transduction. Cell membrane also contain mesosome. Okay, so in some region of cell membrane it is coiled and form mesosome. Mesosome are convoluted or multi-laminated membrane bodies visible in the electron microscope. They develop by complex invagination of cytoplasmic membrane into the cytoplasm. What is the function of mesosome? Function in the compartment of DNA at the cell division and sporulation, and having a function analogous to the mitochondria of the eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, mitochondria function as the energy producers, ATP formation, same role in bacteria which is done by the mesosome. What is the cell wall? The cell wall encases the protoplasm and lies immediately external to the cytoplasm membrane. It is 10 to 25 nanometer thick, strong and relatively rigid, tough with some elasticity, and openly porous, being freely permeable to solute membrane smaller than 10 kilodalton in mass and 1 nanometer in diameter.